warning for all Chainlink holder, my brother, because what Chainlink is completely fails down and this previous death, and absolutely the predication is going to be very important, my brother, to Chainlink is moving upward in upcoming time or not, and this is selling time or buying time. Let's check out without any time waste. Kindly get subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for all this type prediction videos notification. Thank you so much. Once again, if you can see, my brother, this time the latest update is absolutely going to be very positive, so it's a good news for all holders. You can see this time the last 1 hour change occur will be very positive, plus 1.9% they moving upwards. So the price is completely in the profit, 29.76 USD dollar as this time you can see here the price, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price is going to be very double now. Let's check out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart, and after that we predict this, my friend, and absolutely the warning is that for all holders today starting and those days, one of the very big mistake. The mistake is that my friends, today starting selling in those days. So absolutely, if you starting selling in those days, then absolutely, my brother, you are completely in the loss. So you need to hold, because at the end of month, my friends, they are completely going the moon. You can see at this time they completely falls down. So it's chart completely going to show you to in the last 24 hour minus 0.16% they falls down just in only. But after this, you can see after this fell, you can see they completely go in the moon. You can see, but after this fall jump also they falls down. So everybody understand to after a jump they falls down, and after a fails they take a jump. So definitely after this jump you can see they falls down. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time Chainlink is moving upward, because the future because after a fails, my friends, they also take a very good jump. Yes, if you can see, my friend, and if you remember the last 1 hour chart, absolutely, my friend, the change occur will be positive. So it's mean to upcoming time there is more chances to them moving upwards. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.